Start by placing the silicone covers or nasal plugs onto the ends of the device, depending on whether you're using it for your ears or nose. To turn the device on, press and hold the power button for 3 to 4 seconds. You'll see the light activate. This means it's working. The device has 3 intensity settings. Press the plus button to increase power. Press the minus button to decrease power. If you need to pause during your session, just tap the pause button, marked with a circle. To turn off the device, press and hold the power button again for 3 to 4 seconds. You can use the device twice daily, once in the morning and once in the evening for 10 to 30 minutes each session. The device will automatically shut off after 30 minutes. To charge, plug cable into port, then into a USB port for about 2.5 hours. Device may perform up to 15 sessions before needing to charge. Remove the silicone caps or nasal probes and wash with soap and warm water after each use. This light comes with an extended replacement window, so if you have any problems at all, just let us know. We will get back to you quickly and take great care of you. Thank you so much for choosing Starlite Smile.